Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Jigsaw Lino Print. This is a really nice way of introducing more than one colour without going down the multiple block or the reduction method route. I've already pre-carved my lino. I've chosen an abstract design. So now I'm going to cut this into pieces, which gives you the name of the jigsaw print. A couple of things you will need before cutting that is you need a good cutting mat and you need a sharp knife. I recommend you use a scalpel rather than a Stanley knife because the blade is slightly thinner, so you'll be able to get the knife into these finer lines. So I'm now going to cut this into pieces. So here are all the pieces cut up and they all join together like so. So all I need to do now is ink up each section and print. So here are my inked up pieces. I can now decide whether to print them all joined up again as I originally cut the block, or you can play around with placing the blocks in different places and making it more of an abstract piece of work. So I'm now going to print some of these. So here are the finished prints. I can see that one is where it's all joined together, and this one just played around with separating the blocks. And then this print here, I just cut up a block from previous tutorials so you can see what it would look like with a more figurative print. So give it a go yourself and let me know how you get on. Bye!